Good evening. Hello, and how?
Mm.
Hello, baby. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
All right, I can hear you now. Okay, hello, and how? Good evening. How are you? How are you, and how?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine. Thank you so much for asking. So, what are you doing right now, and how? What are you doing, baby? Are you done eating? My eyes is so painful. That's why I keep on rubbing my eyes. So are you done eating and how? Are you done eating, baby?
Okay, teacher.
What's okay? Are you done eating? Okay, alright. So are you done eating for tonight and how? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So are you done eating? Can you hear me?
yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
Then are you done eating and how? Are you done eating?
yes.
Okay, and what did you eat for tonight?
Huh?
What did you eat?
Um,
I'm going to chat, baby.
I eat rice, meat,
Uh-huh. Rice, meat, and rice, meat. That's all?
tang quang,
What's that?
tang quang.
Kangkong?
Yes,
Kangkong?
yes.
This one? Oh, wait. I cannot see it to you because... Wait, that's not
Teacher.
the Philippines?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So it's so cute. So you're eating the tangkong. So you remember the name.
Mm.
Tangkong. Okay. So now and now, are you ready to start with our class?
Yeah.
Oh no. Can you see the screen already?
Yeah.
Okay, so tonight we're going to discuss about the exercise number 6. We have here the ordering. So now put the words into the correct order. So for example, is he wearing a suit? So what is your answer for that one? Okay, you're just going to correct the order, okay? Okay, number 1 is
Why, teacher? Number one is he wearing a suit.
okay. Number 2 is
What
what?
wearing you are?
Okay, what are you wearing? Okay, how about number 3? Okay, how about number 3?
Mm, I like wear wearing t-shirts and
Okay.
jeans.
I
Oh,
like
t-shirt and
wearing,
jeans.
okay, I like wearing t-shirt and jeans. How about number 4?
Mm, I
Number 4 is,
like wearing
number 4 is,
I am wearing uh, a
I am wearing,
brown sweater.
okay, number 5. Number 5 is, how about number 5, baby?
Uh, what color is a t-shirt?
Okay, okay, that's wrong. What?
What color is a t-shirt?
Okay, very good. How about number 6?
What the mm, like wearing?
Okay, I,
What is like
what
wearing?
does he like? What does he like wearing? Okay, how about number 7? Ayun, eh, butang diha lang kay. Diyan manhang ilaga, magbungan ta. Number
Was
7 is?
the shoes is yellow and purple?
Okay, number 8.
I
Number 8
wearing
is?
I'm wearing black shoes.
Okay, I am wearing black shoes. Okay, so thank you so much for that one, Day Kwang, and thank you so, I mean, and now, and thank you so much for answering all the activities correctly. Okay, so now let's have the exercise number 7. Your turn to ask. Ask your tutor a question about each picture. So, for example, what is James wearing? As you can see, there are names below the picture. So we have here James, Helen, and so on. So you are going to ask me the questions. Okay, so are you ready, Di Kwang?
Yeah.
Oh, and how? Sorry. Because Di Kwang was absent lately. That's why. Okay, so are you ready and how? Okay, so you can start. Okay, you can start now.
What is Jem wearing?
Okay, he is wearing a shirt,
What
a blue
is
shirt.
what is Helen wearing?
Helen is wearing a skirt.
What is Yuko wearing?
Yuko is wearing a boots.
What is Takashi wearing?
Okay. Takashi is wearing a suit. All right. So thank you so much for that one, Dick. Uh, and how? So now ask your tutor this question. So you are going to read me these questions once again, okay?
Okay.
All right. So are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start now. Okay, please read number one. Hello?
Hello.
Can you read number one right now?
What do you like wearing?
I like wearing a t-shirt.
What do your mother or father like wearing?
He also likes to wear just short and the t-shirt.
What the brother or sister like wearing?
Uh-huh. I don't have a brother and a sister. Okay,
Mm,
next.
what do your husband or wife like wearing?
My husband like to wear jersey, short and t-shirt. Diba?
Okay.
All right. So thank you so much for that one. And how? So now exercise number 8. Your turn to answer. I will be asking you the same question, baby. Okay? Okay. So what is Ling wearing?
Link is wearing a red dress.
Okay. How about John? What is John wearing?
John is wearing a t-shirt,
Okay. How about Tim? What
a
is Tim wearing?
white t-shirt.
Yes. Okay. How about Tim? What is Tim wearing?
Tim wear Tim is wearing a um
Tim is wearing a
um white t-shirt.
yes. Okay. Okay. It's a sweater.
Sweater.
All right, sweater. How about Evie? What is Evie doing? I mean wearing.
Uh, Abby is wearing shoe.
Okay, a shoes. And how I am going to chat. Okay? Can you
Mhm.
check my chat for a while? Is that okay? Did you read it already?
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay,
can you excuse for teacher for a while and just wait for me, okay?
okay, okay,
Okay, thank you so much. Just wait for me, okay, baby?
okay.
Okay. Hello, and how?
Hello, teacher.
All right, and thank you so much for waiting and how. I really, really appreciate that. Okay, thank you so much again and how. Okay, so now let's continue with our lesson, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now, wait, let me save this one. Okay, so what is, oh, no, no, we're done with that one. So let's continue with this one. I will be asking you the same four questions, okay? So, what do you like wearing and how?
I like wearing jeans.
A jeans. What does your mother or father like wearing?
Mm,
Again,
I
what does your mother or
mother
father like wearing?
mother like t-shirts. Father like mother and father like t-shirts
Uh-huh.
and skirt.
Oh, and skirt. Okay.
Um,
Uh-huh.
button, but father like wearing mm, mm, uh,
Uh,
shorts
uh-huh.
and
Short.
t-shirt.
Oh, short and a t-shirt only. Okay, how about what does your husband or wife like wearing? Since you don't have a husband and wife, let's just think of a brother and a sister, okay? So what
Oh,
does your brother and sister like wearing? Okay, what
mm,
does your brother
just
and sister likes wearing?
what is it? What?
Okay, okay, baby.
Um, brother like shirts and jean, but
Uh-huh.
sister he like dress.
Okay, he likes dress. Okay, and your brothers only like the jeans and the shirt?
Brother he like shirts
Uh-huh.
and jeans, but
Shirt, jeans.
sister he like dress.
Oh, dress. Of course, some of the girls really, really like to wear dress. Okay, aside from me. All right, so now let's continue. Oh, we're done with this one, so thank you so much. So let's proceed on the next. Oh, where is my mouse? On the next lesson. Okay, wait, baby. All right, so we're done with the lesson 28. So let's continue with the lesson 29 already. So in the lesson 29, we have what does she look like? Okay, so now before we continue, I will be asking you a few questions regarding with the word she. So when we talk about she, basically we're talking about a girl, a woman. So now, can you please describe your mother? What does she look like? What does your mother looks like?
He look like um he look like um, cook
Okay, she looks like
cooking
what?
cooking and work.
All right. Okay, how about you have two sisters, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now what does your sister look like?
Sister like study and take photo.
Wait, wait and how wait. Okay, so now let's have the learning objectives. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about what people look like. So you already give an example about your mother and the two sisters. So we are still going to talk a lot more. So now we have warm up. Exercise number 1, listen and repeat these words and sentences with your tutor. Brown. Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, brown. Okay, just repeat the sentences, okay?
Brown.
Okay, I have brown eyes.
I have brown eye.
Okay, blue.
Blue.
Okay, he has blue eyes.
He has blue eye.
Okay, next, green.
Green.
She has green eyes.
She had green eye.
Okay, all right, so now how about your mom? What is the color of her eyes? What is the color of the eyes of your mom?
Uh,
Okay, what is the color of the eyes of your mom?
it brown.
Okay, how about your sister?
Black and brown.
Oh, also black and brown. Okay, so now I will be, oh, since we do not have much enough time for now and how, let's just continue this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for tonight and how, thank you so much. I hope you learned, you had fun, and you enjoyed during our discussion. So thank you so much. And teacher is going to go back to the CR because my stomach hurts. Okay, bye bye and how. See you again next time.
Goodbye, teacher.